After tracking 3 consecutive days in the triple digits here across North Texas, relief is finally on its way. Tracking a pretty good line of showers here moving into the Metroplex, including some rumbles of thunder. Now, the good news is no severe warnings or watches here across North Texas, but some of these storms packing a pretty good punch with some heavy rainfall. Now, overall, the storm motion will be off to the south and to the southeast, moving about 20 to 30 miles an hour. So some of these storms are booking it pretty quick. Now, the storms here to the north across I-35, they've actually cleared I-35 off to the east. And over the past couple radar scans, you can see that the intensity of these storms to the north have really come down. Now, if there is going to be one storm that possibly goes severe, it's going to be this storm right here moving towards Sulphur Springs right there, right along I-30. That's where we have the strongest storms with the heaviest rainfall. And on down the line, you can see here at the Denton Split, we had a really strong gust of wind. So as we head throughout the next hour, we could see some 40, 50, possibly even 60 mile an hour straight line winds here pushing through along the leading edge of that outflow boundary. And then here for the Metroplex, you can see that outflow boundary is now across the northern county line there in Tarrant County. It's going to be crossing downtown Fort Worth here in about the next 15 minutes. Moving pretty fast here, at least that outflow boundary is. And right behind it is where we're starting to see those showers and those storms starting to develop. And here off to the west, we have a couple of lingering showers. These are late summer afternoon showers, not really tracking much of a severe threat here with any of these. But you can see putting the time of arrival here, the storms are moving to the southeast, moving about 20, 30 miles an hour. So pick your town, pick your time of arrival. Plano at 6:15, DFW at 6:19, and then it's going to move towards downtown Dallas around 6:51, and that's going to be the downtown Fort Worth, for example, 6:31. So these storms are moving pretty quick, and they'll continue to work the way off to the south and to the southeast. The good news is not tracking much of a severe threat, nothing like that, but we could get some brief heavy downpours of rainfall, so some localized ponding, possibly some localized flooding. Not out of the question here as we head into this evening, but this 1 hour time lapse, you can see a little bit more cloud coverage working its way into the forecast, and I'm going to say this is going to be a very active time lapse once those storms start to move through. But currently, this is what the storms are working with. 98 degrees at DFW, very warm, very muggy. So when these storms move in, they're going to have lots of moisture, lots of fuel to play with once they work their way into the Metroplex. But I do want to point out with that extended forecast, today's not going to be the only day with the rain chances or the storm chances. Those are going to be sticking around here for the next couple of days. As a matter of fact, Monday into Tuesday, tracking some pretty decent rainfall chances, including Tuesday afternoon for the World Cup. After that, the rainfall chances will start to taper off here by the middle to late parts of next week. But once the rain starts to taper off, Steve, you know what's going to happen. That heat, it's working its way back in. We could see some triple digits back in the forecast heading into next weekend.